Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, here with another video for you guys today. So I'm actually at work, but Nats and I were just going on the road today to get a few stuff done. So Malia is 6 months this coming Sunday, so she has to get her shot today. And in addition to that, we're actually gonna go and get her birth certificate officially started out today. So of course guys, you know the drill. If you're new here, consider subscribing, like, comment, you know the thing, it all helps us out. Intention of today's video guys is to just kind of give you a rundown of like what to do if it is that you are an immigrant and you have a child in Canada. What are some of the stuff that you need to do? Does it affect your immigration status? Does it benefit you in any way or whatsoever? And also yeah, the process to go in terms of going about getting your birth certificate, passports and stuff like that. So that's the intention of today's video guys. Also, what I would like to say is that each province might have variation in how certain processes are done. So whatever you hear or see today is really based on Alberta, right? So based on Alberta's policies and based on Alberta way of doing things. You good, Bips? You have a card on your ID and stuff?
Yeah, I do. Could you call us? I'm supposed to do some of this.
Can't find the key?
No, I can't find the key on my phone. That's dead for me.
But you dead?
Like a battery dead. I'm not sure.
Yeah guys, so yeah, so that's right there. As I said, we're going to just get this shot out the way. And then you guys can see Malika in the background giving you guys a smile. And Malia is also behind me right there. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot. Yeah guys, so as you can see, Malia get her shot just now. So I'm currently en route to go and start out the birth certificate. Hopefully I have enough time because that take way longer than we were anticipating. Now, while we are going here to start this one, one of the things that I want to talk to you guys about is, does having a child in Canada affect or improve your or assist in any way with your immigration status as immigrants? No, this is a question that many people wants to know. And the straightforward answer is no, it does not. As it relates to immigrating to Canada or becoming a permanent resident, you have to pretty much do that on your own, right? Now, providing the child is under 18, of course, we're talking about, right? Now, if the child is over 18, then they can file for them parents. But if I just have a child in Canada thinking, say, that I got assist or keep her here in Canada, no, not necessarily, right? But if I get like a provincial nomination, it will ask like not even that. If you're doing an express entry profile, it will ask us stuff like, for example, do you have any family member who is a citizen or permanent resident of Canada? The difference is you'll be able to select yes, and then you'll get a few additional points for the fact that you have a child in Alberta. But yeah, that's as far as it goes. Nothing else. So you can't file for PR just on the basis that you have a child. Anyways, long and short now. Now I'm about to go and get this birth certificate sorted. Hopefully the line is not long. Where you go to sort out the birth certificate is the same place you go to sort out your driver's license. And all of them other stuff. Except your SIN number, because that's somewhere different. Anyways, follow guys. Daddy just gonna run in and sort this out and come back. Yeah guys, so I'm currently home. I had to rush and go back to work. My lunchtime ended up finishing and stuff like that. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys as to how did everything went, right? So so we applied for the birth certificate. We didn't apply for it before because we never really need to. Because when you have a child at the hospital, they register the birth, right? So you don't necessarily need to get a birth certificate unless you need that piece of document in order to do some business, which we need now. So which is why we are actually starting it out right now. So it cost us $40 to get it processed, and within another 3 days we should be getting it in the mail or thereabout, right? So the birth certificate is actually just like the size of an ID card. It has the information of birth and also the parent's name, but you can also choose if you want it to just be like the child's name and date of birth, then you can do that as well. But if you want a more detailed one, you can do that. I guess the price is really dependent on the type of birth certificate that you choose, right? So we choose a more detailed one because yeah, obviously we need to do some business, so that's why we're really doing that. I was chatting with you guys before as well to let you guys know, like, whether, like, just have a conversation to see whether or not, like, having a child in Canada, if that boosts your immigration prospects or if it, you know, aid in any way. And as much research as we have done, and we have actually reached out to some consultants that we have in our network just to see if there's any additional information that I could have given you guys. But no, there's not, unfortunately. Having a child in Canada don't necessarily increase the chances of becoming a permanent resident unless the child is over 18, and then that child will then now sponsor you as their parent. And I think they can do their grandparent as well. Outside of that, guys, then pretty much you have to pretty much balance your own ship, balance your own thing, and just make your own thing work, right? So that is something that you want to know as well. Now, what happens if you're out of status and you have a child in Canada? That child has to go to your home country with you, but that child will be a Canadian citizen. So when that child becomes 18, they can come back to Canada and, you know, live and work freely. and do whatever they want to do. But if the parents is out of status, then the parents would have to go back to their home country with the child. And that's how it is with IRCC. That's for as far as our knowledge goes, and for everybody who we have spoken to, that is what that is like. As you guys can see, I'm actually outside. It's actually not cold today, guys. I'm not even wearing a jacket. Well, it's like +4, +5 right now. A little bit chilly, but definitely not cold. So that's something that we're definitely taking advantage of. I might just take the girls out for a walk. That is actually at work, by the way. But the girls are inside sleeping, which is why I'm outside doing this video, because I don't want them to hear Daddy's voice and wake up, because it seems like them have an internal something that as soon as I start talk, then wake up. You understand? But on and all, guys, that's the process. The process is very straightforward. As I said, when you have a baby at the hospital, it's registered immediately. So the only thing you need to do is to fill out the form and then go to another license center, whatever it's called in your province, along with your ID, and then just go and apply for the birth certificate. And then it's a pretty straightforward process. No hassle. It took us like probably 10 to 15 minutes in the center just now. Of course, I couldn't video all of the process for privacy reasons, because an office like that, other persons are there transacting their business as well. So I didn't want to like infringe on anyone's privacy or anything like that. So I never really like video as much as I wanted to. So that was what I wanted to say. Also, what I want to say is big up to everyone who has been supporting our channel thus far. You know what, we really appreciate you guys. We really love you guys, and we're just proud of the community that we're building. And I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers. You know what, guys, words cannot express how grateful we are. And I just want to say, if you're new here, if you're watching this video for the first time, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Don't hesitate to share. Don't hesitate to comment. Become a part of our network, become a part of our community. Definitely reach out to us on Instagram, reach out to us on all social platforms. And you know what, guys, yeah, you guys are awesome. If you're in Canada and you're watching this video, link up. We're planning to go to at least 4 or 5 major cities this year, starting with Alberta. Of course, we've been to Edmonton a few times. This year hopefully we can make it to Calgary. So if you're in Calgary, link up. Also, we're trying to go to Kelowna as well. So if you're in Kelowna, link up as well. And you know what, guys, we're also trying to make it to Toronto. So all of the Toronto massive, big up on yourself. Apologies for the noise behind me. Apologies for the noise behind me. All of the Toronto massive, big up on yourself as well. We should be there this summer as well. And we might make it to Vancouver. That's also on our list. And I think the other one that Nat said that she wanted to go was Manitoba, Winnipeg. Yeah, so bless up on yourself. Thank you guys so much. Don't hesitate to reach out to us in the comment section. Let us know if you're watching from anywhere in those cities. You know, we're looking for persons to connect with, to build a relationship with, and definitely to grow our network. And if you're watching this video from anywhere else outside of Canada, big up on yourself as well. Don't hesitate to reach out as well. Blessings. Don't give up on the dream. Keep pushing, keep trying, and everything will work out. All right, all the best, guys. Until the next video, see you guys later.